Hi, and welcome to your Root Chakra Smoothie. So today's smoothie is all about getting you grounded, having you feel supported and loved up. Because when your root chakra is on point, then all the other chakras or energy centers of your body can align in unison. So to start this smoothie, we're going to start with a base. Now today I'm using my unsweetened almond milk, and this is vanilla. And I'm just gonna pour a cup of vanilla in my glass. If you like coconut milk or oat milk, or you can use whatever milk you want. Now I'm gonna pour into that some pomegranate. Pomegranate is a great antioxidant. So not only are you getting that beautiful red color, I'm just gonna pour a half a cup of pomegranate juice in there. So you get the color, but you're also getting those major antioxidants into your smoothie. And now, let me be honest, I usually have a banana that's super ripe, but unfortunately, I didn't have one today. So I'm using these bananas that aren't that ripe, but you wanna get bananas that are ripe or have the spots on them. You can also put them into a brown paper bag, and that'll help them ripen a little faster, but then they're sweeter and they're even better for you. But we're gonna pop these babies open. They're still good for you, even if you happen, like me, not to find ripe ones. You're still doing good because you're getting your servings of fruits and vegetables in for the day. So we're gonna put a couple bananas because I like my smoothies nice and thick. Now, if you wanted to, you can totally omit the bananas or just put a half a banana. This smoothies and all these smoothies for the 7 days are about creating your own, making it your own. I am just your guide to give you ideas, but I'm excited to see what you're gonna create. So make sure that you send me comments and DMs and let me know what you're creating with this template. So next, we're gonna have some cranberries. As you know, cranberries are great, especially for fiber, and especially for us women, the yoni. Yes, she needs cranberries, so feed them to her in this smoothie. And to this, you can add any sweetener. You can add stevia, you can add raisins. I love dates. Dates are really high in fiber, and most people complain about having gut problems and bloating. But if you just add a little fiber to your diet, not only does it add sweetness to your smoothie, but it also makes you nice and regular and eliminates some of that bloat. All right, we're gonna pop those in, and bam, that is it. And now to that, I'm gonna add one little scoop of this beautiful baby here, which is my grown American Superfood. This grown American Superfood has 1.5 servings of fruits and vegetables. So we have some servings here, and now this extra one little scoop is only 25 calories, and we're gonna add that to the top so we make sure we get our greens and our minerals and our nutrients, all of that in each and every smoothie that we make. All right, so we're gonna pop that in, and we are good to go. And if you know me, you know when I blend, I like to do the blender boogie. So why don't you do it with me? I'm gonna press go. All right, and by the time you've done your blender boogie, your smoothie's ready. So here we have it, our beautiful. And you can do a mason jar if you love mason jars, or you can do a regular cup. Either one works. This smells so delicious. Look how beautiful that is. Let's give it a taste. My, that is so delicious. I hope you love this smoothie. Like I said, leave me comments, send your DMs, let me know you love it. If you switch something up or change something up, let me know. Check out the links below so that you can see where you can get all these amazing products. If you don't have a store near you, or if you're in a food desert, you can get it online. So don't worry about it. I included all the links below so you can get your products, and I'll see you tomorrow.